All right, everybody, Sylvia here, and I am in Ventura visiting some triking friends, Ann and Alan, and they have very generously let me park in front of their house, and we're getting ready to go on a trike ride. We got Dawn with her new cat trike with the e-Bosch, Alan and Ann on their e-ice trikes. So looks to be a beautiful day, a little blustery, and we are headed to the beach. Okay, so we got Ann,
Come here.
Alan, Dawn, and we are on our way. Vamos, vamos a la playa. Come on, Myrtle, let's go. What a gorgeous day out here. It's crystal clear. The winds have really cleared out the air. Ah, look at this, beautiful waves crashing. You can see islands out in the distance. Gorgeous, just a gorgeous day. Southern California living, baby. All right, everybody, good morning. I am in Ventura, California with the Ventura County Recumbent Riders, and we've got Wayne. Hello. Hello, hello. And we're at a meetup point. This is Ventura Beach. We got a couple of velomobiles, beautiful, absolutely gorgeous day. We're at a meetup point, got a lot of trikes, and more trikes coming. And yeah, check out this view here. This is where we're parking. Actually, Ann, Alan, and Dawn, the four of us rode to the meetup point from Alan's house, Alan and Ann's house. But yeah, check out this view, huh? Gorgeous day. Got a lot of surfers out in the water.
I knew they'd find a place.
Beautiful waves.
I knew they'd find a place.
So yeah, we're gonna get going here pretty quick. Okay, we are getting ready to go. We've got a couple of velos.
Oh, sorry.
We've got a hand cycle, a lot of trikes. So careful. Let's wait for the cars.
Oh, it said there was a lot of traffic.
Yeah. You want to go after this guy? No. All right, we are starting this ride. There goes Michael in his DF. This upright rider just passed us on the other side of the road. He's just staring at that DF like, wow. Yeehaw! Coming into Ventura Beach. Just beautiful here. Especially on a day like today when it's crystal clear. Yeah, you can see all these RVs. This is part of the Ventura County Park system. And there are no services, but there are these trucks, like you can see this one here. And this one has like fresh water. And then this one will pump out the gray and black tanks for a fee. I don't think you can reserve these spots. I think it's first come, first serve. And I don't remember, I've never parked here. I've never paid to stay here, but I feel like it's $30, $40 a night. And I think you can stay for 14 days. That's pretty cool though, right? Just to be right on the ocean. Yeah, so this path is really new. My first time on it. I rode with this group maybe a couple of years ago. And this was not ready at that time. see there's a lot of surfers out here. Beautiful, right? We're taking a break, using a bathroom at the fire station. Rincon, Ventura County Fire Department. Very nice of them to let us use their bathroom. Very social group here. A lot of riders have already gone on. And apparently there's a new section of a bike trail that we're going to try out today.
That's interesting. Got 2 hands full of camera.
Okay. Oh, okay. So you knew where I was.
Following wherever you lead, Wayne.
Wait a minute. Aren't we supposed to?
We're going to shoot each other.
Ceremonial.
Pew, 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 pew. Okay, so we are taking a new path right along the ocean. Look how amazing this is. Oh my gosh, look at this. What do they call this when they have kite surfing and they've got the motors? Look at this guy. Wow. He's waving at us. That was fun.
I thought we could run out of gas. That's cool.
Very cool. Go tandem. Oh, look at this guy right over us. Isn't that amazing?
Oh, look at that.
That is really cool, and he's landing now. And then he's taking off again like a touch and go from the beach. What a day, huh? So we are actually getting on the freeway here. Whoa, 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 I went the wrong way with my gears. Here we go. There we go. A little grinding. So we've been on Highway 101, a freeway. Got on at one entrance and got off at the next exit. And we are now in Carpinteria on the historic El Camino Real. Okay, so we're regrouping on our way up the hill. Hi, Casey. All right, let's go. No time to waste. Looks like we've got a fire up ahead.
For my truck.
Okay.
Thompson.
Okay, we're going to lunch.
Fair Thompson.
Okay, come on, Dawn. Let's go.
I don't care where you're going.
I'm following you, so you got to go ahead.
Who knows where we're going?
Dawn knows.
I know where we're going.
And so does Ann. We're lousy with people that know where we're going. What a fantastic day to be on a bike ride. Oh, this has been absolutely gorgeous. The weather has been spectacular. Probably 60, 65 degrees, light winds. We were really expecting to have much bigger winds today. And I mean, the sky is so clear. You can see the Channel Islands off the coast as if you could touch them. And it was been just super fun to ride with old friends and new friends. And I really want to thank the Ventura County Recumbent Cycling Group for inviting me on this ride, and for Alan and Ann for letting me park in front of their house. It's just been a terrific day here in Ventura County, and so this ride's coming to an end. One last look at the beach here on this just stunningly beautiful day. I guess I can go in front here. All the birds. Yeah, so let me know what you guys think about this. Leave a comment in the comment section below. I love hearing from everybody. And please stay safe, stay healthy, and I will see you next time.